Have you ever wanted to ask a younger woman out but hesitated, dreading that "I'll think about it," which we all know is just a soft rejection? You're not alone. I've been there. Like many older men, you might think, am I too old, not good looking, or not rich enough? But that's not why she's saying no. You're good enough, it's just that how you're asking is the issue. So, what's the right way to ask her out? That's exactly what we're going to uncover in this video. Let's dive in. Seven, offer flexibility in plans. Life is hectic, and a rigid schedule might make her feel pressured. If you say, "Let's go out at 7 p.m. on Friday," you risk making her feel boxed in. A better approach is to be flexible and considerate of her time. Instead of locking down a specific time, say something like, "I'm free this weekend or early next week. Which works best for you?" This shows her you're mindful of her schedule, making her feel more comfortable accepting your invitation. 6. Be confident yet casual. No woman likes when a man approaches nervously or hesitates. Confidence is especially attractive when approaching a younger woman. It signals that you're secure in who you are, boosting your attractiveness. However, it's essential not to come off as too intense, which can make her uncomfortable. The trick is to be confident without being overbearing. Instead of making it a big deal, keep it light. For example, "I'm checking out this new place tonight. You should swing by if you're free." This shows that you're self-assured and interested but gives her space to decide without pressure. 5. Follow up gracefully. Even after doing everything right, she might not be available right away, or she could still be unsure. This is where following up gracefully comes in. Don't take a decline personally or react impulsively. If she says no, it doesn't mean it's a permanent no. She might genuinely be busy or have other reasons. The best approach is to follow up with a light, friendly message that shows you're not upset. A message like, "No worries. Let me know when things free up, would love to hang out sometime," demonstrates maturity, calmness, and confidence. It also leaves the door open for her to reach out when she's ready. 4. Use group settings initially. If you're still not sure she's comfortable with just the two of you, try asking her out in a group setting. This low-stakes approach creates a comfortable environment and significantly reduces any awkwardness that can arise with one-on-one invitations. She'll feel more at ease in a group, without any immediate pressure to say yes to something personal. For instance, suggest, "Hey, a bunch of us are going to a party this weekend. Want to join?" Or, "We're planning a group hike on Saturday, you should come." This creates a welcoming atmosphere, making her more likely to accept since she doesn't feel obligated to commit to a one-on-one. Once she sees your fun, easygoing side in the group, it's much easier to suggest something more personal later on. 3. Find common interests. This approach simplifies the process, making it 5 times easier to ask her out. When you share a common interest, the conversation flows naturally, forming an instant bond between you two. Think about it, if you both enjoy similar activities, whether it's sports, hiking, reading, watching the same TV series, or even partying, you've got the perfect excuse to suggest doing these things together. It removes the pressure, making it feel more like two people enjoying a shared hobby than a high-stakes date. For example, if she's interested in fitness and so are you, say, "I've been meaning to try this new workout class. I heard you're into fitness too, "Wanna join me sometime?" Or, if you both like a certain music genre, say, "There's a live band playing this weekend. It's totally your vibe, you should come." This approach doesn't feel forced, making her more likely to accept because it feels natural. The key here is that you're inviting her to do something fun, not asking her out directly. 2. Use subtle invitations. The first rule when asking a younger woman out is to make her feel comfortable and reduce the pressure of a direct invitation. Younger women often shy away from overt proposals, especially if they're uncertain about their feelings. That's why a subtle invitation is an excellent way to test the waters without making it feel like a big commitment. But what are subtle invitations? It means suggesting an activity or event without framing it as an official date. This approach keeps the mood casual and minimizes the risk of rejection. Think of it as planting a seed without forcing her to commit on the spot. Instead of a typical approach like, "Hey, do you fancy going out for dinner this Saturday?" which can feel too direct, try saying something like, "A couple of friends and I want to try a new restaurant this weekend. You should come with us, it'll be fun." This creates a situation where, if she's interested, she'll join, and if she's not, she can politely decline without any awkwardness. And remember, if she does decline, it's not a rejection, it's just a chance to try again in a more relaxed setting. 1. Incorporate humor and teasing. Humor is the fastest way to build rapport and ease any tension, making your invitation feel light, fun, and less intense. Instead of making her feel pressured, humor breaks the ice, creating a relaxed vibe. Women naturally appreciate a man with a sense of humor far more than someone who's overly serious or dull. Imagine this, the typical guy says, "Would you like to go out with me?" Boring and way too direct. But you playfully tease her. If she says she's good at something like bowling or billiards, you could challenge her with a playful line like, "Oh, really? I'm pretty sure I could beat you at that. Want to prove me wrong this weekend?" This approach makes the invitation feel like a friendly dare rather than a formal ask, making it much harder for her to decline. By using these strategies, you can boost your chances of building meaningful connections without fearing rejection. Now, it's your turn. Have you ever tried any of these techniques? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.